Hi, welcome to Forex in 4. I'm Mike Conlon for FXEDU, and in the next 4 minutes, I'm going to show you the highlights of where the action is in today's Forex market. So let's get started. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, August 24th, 2010. This morning we're talking about the race to the bottom 2.0. Now, if you're just looking at this early this morning, you're about to see a lot of risk aversion in the market. Overnight, we had some comments that came from some no-name policymaker in the UK. Not sure who this guy is, but he said that the UK faces a real risk of a second recession. And what that's done is that's sent the markets into a little bit of a tailspin this morning. Markets have already been on edge. We've seen some risk aversion as of late. That means dollar and yen strength. And this morning we're seeing stock markets lower. It was lower overnight in Asia. Right now we've got stock market. It's open. Dow's down about 100 points. We've got oil trading lower to 72. Even gold's off, although down to 12.18 roughly at the time of this video here. But what this has done is that this has encouraged risk aversion in the market. And as we would expect, we've got yen and dollar strength. We've got commodity currency weakness. And today looks like it could be an ugly day going into the 10 a.m. Existing home sales numbers, which are coming out here in the U.S., which I'm not certain how those numbers are going to come in good. But basically what's happened is that I'm sure that whoever this guy in the UK was thought he was doing himself a favor, trying to jawbone the pound a little bit lower to help encourage their exports. Well, what that's done is it sort of sent the markets into a global tailspin. Now, I'm not going to blame it all on this guy because, again, who is this person? Someone I've never heard of. But what we're seeing here is you can see we're just looking at a 2-hour chart here of pound dollar. You can see we had some support at about 155, and that's clearly broken it. Here we are. We're sitting just around the 154 level. Also want to show you big story, dollar yen. Dollar yen broke through that 85 level that we were calling support earlier, and it's down significantly to below 84. Right now we're trading just under 84. Now the intervention talk is heating up in Japan, but I'm not sure what the Bank of Japan can do about it. I mean, let's face it, if we go into global risk aversion, there is going to be a massive flood and flight to safety of dollar buying and yen buying, which is going to further strengthen the yen. Now, Prime Minister Khan came out this morning. He said he's looking for G7 help. Well, that sort of goes to show you that they don't think that they can do it alone. So we could see some continued yen strength here. Now, that's obviously going to hurt their exports going forward, but they may sort of have to take one on the chin, so to speak, for the global markets. Just wanted to show you here. We've got dollar versus loonie. Okay, we're approaching 3-month highs at about 107. Now, the loonie is weak this morning. Retail sales figures came in Canada at 0.1% versus an expectation of 0.4%. It shows signs that the Canadian economy is slowing. We've got oil also lower at 72. And lastly, risk aversion. So the loonie's getting hit with a little bit of the triple whammy here. But I'm just looking at this candle here. This looks like on the 2-hour chart, a potential reversal candle. I wonder about this. Just going to take a quick peek here on the 5-minute chart and see what's happening. Well, got a little bit of a shooting star here contained by the bands. Possible reversal at some point today if U.S. markets decide they want to turn it around. But right now, that's what the market is looking at. We're still in risk aversion mode, although it looks like we're bouncing off the lows. Now, the euro is still down versus dollar. Germany actually came in with a confirmation of second quarter GDP, figures 2.2%. So they're growing at a rapid pace, and they're basically holding up all of the eurozone. So whether or not this can continue is anyone's guess. But today is all about starting the U.S. session with risk aversion, and we're going to see if that flips around today at any point in time. Now, it's no secret that folks around the globe would like to have a lower currency. I mean, let's face it, everybody would, because that encourages their exports, that helps manufacturing, that helps their employment. But it's just not possible. Everybody can't have a lower currency. Something has to go up versus something else. When one goes up, one goes down. And that's just the nature of the currency market. So, excuse me. So while these financial and government types, they come out with what are seemingly benign comments, or comments meant to do a little bit of jawboning, they really should consider the global impact that their comments may have, because it could take an already fragile market even lower. So when you get heightened fear in the markets, there's also heightened opportunity for those who know how to take advantage of it. So if you haven't done so already, I encourage you to check out our currency trading courses. So that's what we're looking at today, Tuesday, August 24th. Good trading to all. As always, be sure to check out the written blog at www.fxedu.com to get complete coverage of today's Forex market. If you would like to learn more about how to trade the Forex market from professionals like myself, be sure to check out our affordable Forex trading courses. And if you're already a seasoned professional or aspire to be one, ask us how we can help you achieve your Forex goals. Go to www.fxedu.com to get started today.